Morning. Out in a new lake today, new to me I guess. Shawnee State Fishing Lake today. Gonna do a lake break style video, which means I'm gonna pick, I think I'm gonna go 77.5 inches will be my goal for my best 5 today. Never been here before. There really wasn't a whole lot as far as I could find as YouTube videos go and whatnot, so I really don't know what to expect. We have gotten a ton of rain the last few days. Hopefully they're up shallow. Guess we'll find out. Don't really know what to expect, but I'm excited. Here we go. Oh, I did hook a bass. Yeah. He's about 8 inches, but I can't measure him. This one ain't much bigger than the first one, but 11.5. Thank you, bud. Not going like I thought it would so far. And again, it rarely does, I guess. Ooh, he's got a crawdad in his mouth. Another 11 and a half. Well, I'm an idiot. So here's a little flat. The water seems quite a bit dirtier on this end of the lake, which makes sense. Maybe we can get a couple. I had a crawdad hanging out down his throat. That'd be a good idea throwing a jig. That guy was up much shallower than the other ones. 13 and a half. Alright, well, we'll get on to something here. Yeah! Alright, they keep getting better. I guess this guy's 15-ish. Yep. Might be getting her figured out. I shouldn't even say that. I should shut my stupid mouth. So what are we? We are about 2 hours in. Okay. We're getting bigger. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. Could definitely help us out if we can get on a chatterbait bite. Alright, let's hope we can keep upgrading there. So we've got, I mean, technically that's a limit, but I didn't actually measure the first one. It was about 8 inches probably. Okay, so I've got a 15, a 13 and a half, 2 11 and a halves, and an 8 incher. Gonna need to upgrade quite a bit to get to 77 and a half. Got to average like a 15 and a half, 15 and 3/4, something like that. There's upgrade number 1. Not a huge upgrade, but it'll get rid of that tiny one. Okay. Thanks, buddy. All right. So that will get rid of our 8-inch with the 13 3/4. So we're getting closer. Well, they're starting to slow down a little bit on the chatterbait. I think I'm gonna go try and flip these reeds over here. Maybe go try the lily pads or that flat over there again. There's a flat over there with some grass growing up where I've did most of my damage today, I'd say. Not as windy on this side though. Well, it's about 10 o'clock and my hand is cramping up big time. So I'm gonna hydrate and eat some salty peanuts. That does not feel big. Oh, it's probably bigger than the 11. Oh, I'm gonna goof this up. I thought about just dropping the water, but I would be extremely disappointed later today had I done that. Oh yeah, he's pretty long actually. Yeah, he's probably 13. Get this a little closer. Still got a little ways to go though. 13 1/4. Okay, maybe with the sun getting out, maybe they're starting to move up in there. I wonder if there's any more in there. Bluegill. That's not dope. Oh. Oh. Bummer. It's alright. We are still in the game. If we catch one big one or two, like 16, 17, even another 15 in the 17, we can still get there. switched over to the chatterbait when we moved into that grass flat. That's where I did a lot of my damage, was using that chatterbait, ripping it through the grass and that flat. And then towards the end of the day, we got on a decent, jig bite and found some in the willows. Nothing big, but it was still fun. Anyways, hope you enjoyed watching.